Take a small oil and aim it at the hole. Raise your left hand upwards and hold a small oil in your right hand to push it inside, so the lid opens. This one was taken down with one press. Take this head off. This knob, pick it with the tool and it comes down. Twist it down with a sleeve, and if you don't have a sleeve, you can use needle nose pliers. After twisting it down, remove the bottom plate. Unplug this, then put the shell upright. There are 2 screws on the left side. Use a sleeve to unscrew them off. Take the part off and use scissors to cut off the line, leaving the part closer to the part shorter. Connect the new timer, rub it in tape, and the place has electricity. Once connected, put the timer back on. Put a large screw in place first, and the other side is the same. Make sure this part is in the middle and not offset. Tighten the screws. Then put this knob on. The white line on this knob is aligned vertically below the 0 tick mark. Then tighten. Leave a certain gap and do not plug into the panel. Finally, close the lid. Plug this wire in. Close the lid.